Yeah, you'll hear the frustration from the trooper who stopped this trucker weeks before he plowed that truck into a school bus on I-5. He clearly did not understand what the trooper was saying, and he was found to be violating multiple laws. Despite getting more than $1,000 in tickets and a stern warning to stay off the road, you'll see what happened next.
Do you have paper logs?
Yeah, I do that.
You don't have any logbook at all? Oh my God, you're about 1,000, man.
It was failure after failure for Juan Hernandez Santos during this truck inspection with a Washington State trooper.
It's not good.
Not good?
It's expired.
Okay.
Don't play dumb. You know it's expired. What the hell?
No commercial driver's license, no medical card, no logbook, and mechanical issues with the truck.
Okay, and then go through there and find a parking spot.
The trooper pulled him off the road to a truck stop,
Do you understand what I'm saying?
and the problems continued.
That's been expired for 2 years.
2 years?
2 years.
No more the truck?
No, you can't move the truck.
Okay.
You don't have a CDL.
Okay, no more. Okay.
I'm not gonna let you drive.
Come on, Ross.
No.
Come on.
Nope.
No matter que tú no more, Washington.
You can't
Please.
drive.
Por favor, please.
No.
No, please.
No, you're getting a ticket for it. You cannot drive.
Okay.
You need to call somebody else to come get the truck.
Okay.
With tickets and a direct order not to drive the truck again, the trooper leaves.
I got you off the road so I don't have to tow it. Okay? But you can't drive at all.
But 2 weeks later, troopers see this same truck again, this time in a freeway pileup crash in Lacey. The State Patrol says Hernandez Santos rear-ended a school bus and hit 4 other cars. Several people were taken to the hospital.
You see what happened here. You have a collision and you have injuries. We're lucky nobody died here.
Attorney Mark Lindquist says leaving the driver with the truck during that stop weeks earlier would have been an obvious risk.
One of the more disturbing aspects of this case is that a Washington State trooper would just accept the word of a rogue driver that he won't get back on the road. That makes no sense. Based on the facts, as I understand them, this driver should have been arrested. The vehicle should have been impounded. That would have been in the interest of public safety. All vehicles are potentially dangerous weapons, but a commercial vehicle in particular is doubly dangerous to everyone on the road. We need for those drivers to be competent.
Now, there were no kids on that school bus in the crash, but 4 people were sent to the hospital. Hernandez Santos has a terrible driving history, multiple DUIs, a hit-and-run crash, and federal authorities say he was illegally in the country. The Department of Homeland Security asked the Thurston County Jail to hold him so they could take him into custody, but he was released before agents got there. Reporting live in Seattle, Jeremy Harris, KOMO News.